What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on GBPAUD on May 4th. So you can see, if we look into the past, that we are in a very strong downtrend, and then we notice that we get this huge retracement with almost no stopping points, no consolidation or anything like that. So that's going to give us a really big clue telling us that the market is going to have to, rest at some point or consolidate. So once we pass this 4-hour support and resistance area, we also notice that we get a head and shoulders pattern once we hit around the 50% mark. So we can see that price is overall still in a downtrend. It extends very rapidly and then gets exhausted, and once that exhaustion happens and price starts to consolidate, we also get a head and shoulders pattern, and I entered right here on the right shoulder, and I took it to the next valid 4-hour support and resistance area right here, netting me about 130 pips, give or take, depending on how the spread is. So this was a pretty easy trade. There wasn't a lot that went into it other than the fact that we were in a downtrend and I could see how fast price extended into this area, and I was really just waiting for price to get exhausted, especially since we had all of this price action over here, and you can see how once price comes back into that area once again, it kind of starts forming these formations just like it did over here. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I went over in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to get back with you. Also, if you'd like to see all the trades that I enter live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and just look out for my stories and you'll see all the trades that I take live. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.